Hey, it's me again, Aaron, the co-founder of Blossom. So you want to learn how to create a highlight reel? Not a problem. First thing you'll need to have is a bunch of recordings and insights created within Blossom. You can find both those in the Recordings tab and the Insight tab. Next, find the insights you want to create a highlight reel from. It's also a good idea to include a cover slate, any key findings from recordings that you did from user interviews. Now go ahead and click the Add to Highlight Reel button, and then type in the name you want to call the highlight reel, and then hit the Create New button. That's it. You've now just created a highlight reel. Now head on over to the highlight reel page and click on the highlight reel you just created. Introducing highlight reels. Now, what's cool about the highlight reel page is you can reorder anything within the timeline. Toggle on and off the notes, scrub through the recording, and then when you're ready, make any final adjustments. Now you're ready to publish the highlight reel. To publish a highlight reel, go to the top right-hand corner and hit Publish Video. And then when Blossom is finished converting the video, all you got to do is copy link and share it in any program that you and your team are familiar with, such as Slack, Jira, Miro, just to name a few. Talk to you soon.